Covering another lead code question on SQL, which is very important. So basically, we will have to write down a SQL query to find out those employees who earn more than their managers. So we have a single table, this employee, and we have the ID column, name, we have salary, and we have the manager ID. So the interesting part is that this table has the employee information as well as the employees manager information. So probably we need to select information from this table twice, which means that we have to do a self join on this particular table. So let's try out this query. Select a dot star p dot star from employee A, join employee B on. Now, if you read this question again, we have to find out those employees who earn more than their manager, which means we have to take the manager ID from first table and compare it with the ID of second table, right? Because if you see this particular record, let's take this first record. So Joe manager ID is 3. Now he is also an employee, right? Who is Sam. So what we have to do is just select manager id b dot id. Now if we just execute this particular query, right, so we will get the Cartesian product of both this table. So in this particular case, since we have 4 records, so the output we will receive it as 16 records, right? But what is our goal? We have to find out those employees who earn more than their manager. So we will have to write few more conditions here. First one is a dot uh, salary greater than b dot salary, right? Now if you see the output, we just have to populate a single column which is employee. We don't have to take all these things, just remove it. Now run this query. So my answer is accepted here. The output which I was expecting was the only employee was Joe, and this is what we are getting. So I hope you guys have understood this. So in the next session, I will be coming up with another lead code question. Thanks.